When the markets are weak, we're supposed to track relative strength or stability, at least stability in the price ranges and volume of a stock. And a good and a very unlikely example of such a stock today are actually two names. And the company is interesting by itself too, because the situation there is very, very different. So the first one that is showing relative strength today is Intel Corporation. And this is maybe the most surprising stock for me personally to watch because of its relative strength, because obviously the market is quite weak. There are lots of uncertainties in relation to the outcome of the war. Yesterday, Donald Trump announced that the war will continue for at least a few weeks more. And we are in the chop territory again. But Intel looks quite good. And obviously there are some technological advancements there, but at the same time it's quite obvious that the main source of this price strength is the demand that's being generated by government support. And to me personally, this is still a very a relatively new situation. I remember the crisis of 2008, the subprime crisis, and the amount of government support deployed to the market. But seeing it like outside of financial sector is quite unusual, I should say. But at the same time, the chart is good and the stock is worth to watch, to take a look and maybe consider once the pressure is lifted off the market. And the second one is SanDisk, and it's the exact opposite of Intel. It doesn't need government support. It has great product, and the product rides the tailwind of the AI adoption. It provides these flash drives, NAND storage that's necessary for AI data centers. And as long as this stock is strong, as long as it is bucking the trend, and the only trend in this market is volatility up, it's worth your consideration as well. Obviously not a financial advice, do your own research, but relative strength rarely lies. Bye.